Tower cranes are among the most recognizable and iconic pieces of construction equipment out there. From the bustling cities of Dubai or New York to the sunny beaches of Miami or Barcelona, cranes have become an integral part of our modern world. They're reused in almost every large construction project to lift and move materials from one place to another. But what makes these machines so special? Why are they preferred over other types of cranes in most cases? And most importantly, how do they work? Well, that's what we're here to find out. So first off, tower cranes are undoubtedly one of the most popular choices for construction companies because they offer a unique set of advantages over other cranes. Unlike other cranes that need to be transported from one site to another, tower cranes are assembled on site. This means that they don't have to be moved around, making them much more efficient and productive. Additionally, they can be built to very tall heights, allowing them to easily reach the upper levels of large buildings. They're also incredibly powerful, capable of lifting heavy loads quickly and accurately. Their sturdy construction and strong cables ensure that the materials being lifted are secure and safe at all times. And finally, tower cranes are relatively cost-effective compared to other types of cranes, making them an attractive option for construction companies looking to save money. But enough about their popularity. Let us dive deeper into the inner workings of these magnificent machines and explore the different parts that make them such marvels of engineering. So get ready to take a journey into the heart of a tower crane and discover what makes it tick. The basic components of a tower crane include a tower, a jib, a trolley, a hoist, a winch, a load block, a motor, a control cabin, and a foundation. The tower is the vertical structure that supports the entire crane and provides stability. It's typically made up of several sections that can be bolted together and extended to the desired height. The jib is the horizontal beam that extends from the tower and supports the trolley. The trolley moves along the jib on a set of rails and is responsible for transporting the load block from one end of the jib to the other. The hoist is the mechanism that lifts the load block up and down. It consists of a motor, a drum, and a brake, which are all enclosed within a protective housing. The winch is located at the top of the tower and is responsible for winding and unwinding the hoisting cable. As the cable is wound around the drum, it lifts the load block. When the cable is unwinded, it lowers the load block. The load block is attached to the hook or other lifting device used to lift the load. The motor provides the power to the hoist and winch. And the control cabin is where the operator sits and controls the movement of the crane. The foundation is the base of the crane, and it's important to ensure that it's firmly secured to the ground to prevent the crane from tipping over. Now that you know the basic components of a tower crane, let's take a closer look at how they work together to lift and move loads. The process begins when the operator receives a signal from the construction crew indicating that they're ready to lift a load. The operator then moves the trolley to the designated position and extends the jib to the required length. He or she then engages the hoist and winch mechanisms to lift the load block and attach material to the desired height. Once the load has been lifted, the operator moves the trolley along the jib to the next position, continuing until the load has been successfully transported to its final destination. Throughout the process, the operator must carefully monitor the load and make any necessary adjustments to ensure that it remains stable and secure. Tower cranes are truly fascinating machines that play a vital role in many construction projects worldwide. Their ability to lift heavy loads to great heights with precision and ease makes them essential for building the structures that shape our skylines. But beyond their impressive capabilities, tower cranes also offer a unique perspective on the world of construction. They allow us to see the intricate dance of human ingenuity and mechanical precision that goes into creating some of the most iconic buildings and structures of our time. So the next time you see a tower crane in action, take a moment to appreciate the incredible machine that it is and the role it plays in shaping our world.